It's time to launch, and we've got everything we need, including the inspiration for our adventure. We're letting the kids lead today's story. Now the day truly begins, so let's get this adventure started. We're on our way to a place imagination built. She has transformed into a superhero, and he's her biggest cheerleader. Out here, there are islands to conquer, beaches to explore, and treasure to find. These kids, they know what's going on. There's nothing they love more than going fast on the lake. We had epic days when we were kids, but nothing like this. Everything we need is right here. Food, family, fun, and a limitless afternoon stretching before us. These are the days that matter. This is the reality that endures. And this is where the story really begins.